Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now we're joined by Mr. Trevor Campbell. He's the meeting manager of the Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association, the JAAA, who's here to talk about the JAAA Puma National Athletics Championships happening from tomorrow until the 30th of June. So it's tomorrow, Thursday, right up until Sunday. Welcome, Mr. Campbell.
Thank you very much. Pleasure to be here.
All right, so what are the events that are to be staged over these 4 days?
It's a full package from the 100 meters to the 5,000 meters. There will be the decathlon and there will be a heptathlon. So it's a full range.
Full range. And with our national program being so successful, or athletes being so successful, we have our own stars, superstars. Tell me some of the stars that will be on show or will be competing at this year's championship.
Well, of course, first you probably want to look at the ladies, Sharika Jackson, Shelly-Ann Price, Elaine Thompson.
Right.
I think those would be the first that jump out. And on the men's side, Parchment,
Anza.
the Oblique Seville,
Right.
Persons like that, yeah.
Yeah, going to be, and I know some young stars, Jaden Hibbert.
Jaden Hibbert, of course, in the drums.
Right.
He's one for the future, if not the present.
Right.
And the youngsters will also be in competition. They're vying for a place on the team to the World Juniors in Lima, Peru in August.
Ah.
Yeah.
Any word of the Clayton twins? No?
They'll be running with the seniors, I do believe.
That should be interesting.
They'll be running with the seniors, I do believe.
They're interesting.
So what about the event highlights? What events will be the highlights of the championships?
To watch.
Well, events to watch, I think, again, the women 100 meters, the women 100-meter hurdles, those two are very, very competitive. It will be interesting to see the young Price in the women 400 meters. She has run a very fast time of 48.89 this year at the NCAA championship. So she's our first lady to go under 49 in quite a while. So it'll be interesting to see if she could pull others under that 49 mark and how fast she'll actually end up going.
You spoke of the 110 hurdles there.
Yes.
Didn't say of people like Megan.
100 hurdles.
Right.
Well,
The 100, is 100 or 110 hurdles?
No, the men run 110
and
the women run 100.
See, you learn some stuff. So you have because we have a very good lineup here. Daniel,
Daniel, the world championship winner, Megan, Nugent. I think it's a packed field. It's worth coming to the stadium to watch on Sunday.
Yeah. Tell me some of the international competitions. We'll be, participating, Jamaica as a country this year.
We're going to have a number of foreigners competing. Persons from Haiti, Britain, United States, Moldova, Liberia, most of the Caribbean islands, except maybe Bahamas.
Okay. So when athletes from these countries come and they perform, they compete at our championships, how does it benefit them? Is it that they just get the experience to run against like superior athletes, or their times and performance can actually contribute to them making their national team?
Absolutely. The last point you make is probably the most salient. Most of these athletes are living here in Jamaica, they train here. Many of them are high schoolers. So they participate in our national championships. We allow them to go one round. So if it's 100 meters and we have in 3 rounds, they'll compete in the first round and will not advance to affect any of our local athletes. So we're giving them a chance to showcase their talents, give them a chance to maybe make a qualifying standard if they haven't already done so, or just to send a note to their local selectors that, this is the kind of shape I'm in, I'm ready, so consider me.
Right.
Awesome stuff. So the Olympic team will spend the customary time at a training camp prior to the start of the Olympics. Will this be the same day this time around, and how are the plans progressing?
I'm not quite sure if it's the same day this time around. I know that the camp will run from July 12th to 24th. And they're in Stuttgart, Germany. That's where the camp will be conducted. So I'm not quite sure what days did happen last year.
Right.
But we're going to be on from the 12th to the 24th of July in Stuttgart.
All right. When you hear about these athletes, these events, the most watched, the 100-meter hurdles, men and women, the 100-meter women, men, the track and field, the high jump, the long jump, all of those. People are going to be interested to come in to watch.
Yes.
Cost. What are the ticket costs like? What are the locations you can get these tickets?
Okay, our ticket locations are at the Pegasus and at the National Stadium ticket office, just above the stadium. We're by Bob Marley statue. They're open and it's on. It's online, so you could also buy your tickets online.
You can also scan the QR code that's up now on your screen.
You can buy it online.
Yeah, so if you're interested in buying these tickets online, the option to purchase these tickets will be found if you scan the QR code.
Right.
That is up on the screen right now. Yeah, I mean,
what time do these outlets open? The physical outlet?
From 9 until 5.
9 to 5?
Yes.
Okay, so...
And so you asked about the prices. We're operating in the grandstand, and so there are 2 categories, finish line and regular grandstand.
Right.
For the regular grandstand, the entry price will be Thursday $1,000, Friday $2,500, Saturday $1,500, and on Sunday $2,500. And if you were to buy those tickets singularly, it would cost you a total of $7,500. But if you buy a season ticket, it costs you $6,500.
Oh,
so the other category, the finish line, is just closer to the
right.
So on Thursday it will be $1,000, on Friday $3,500, on Saturday $2,000, and on Sunday $3,000. Again, if you were to buy those singularly, it would be a price of $9,500. But if you buy a season ticket, it will cost you $8,000.
Awesome. If we need some additional information, social media, where can...
we are at Real Athletics JAAA.
At Real
Athletics JAAA.
And it's on your screen. Thank you so much, Mr. Campbell.
So before I go, I just want to mention, if you allow me, that our opening ceremony, will be on Friday at 6 p.m.
Right.
Okay.
You don't want to miss that.
Awesome.
All right.
Thanks a lot, Mr. Campbell.
You're most welcome.
Good luck to all the athletes here.
Yeah, definitely. On that note, Daytime Live will be right back. We'll come back with a throwback music video from the Innocent Crew, so far.
And you got to believe it.